Okay, so hello everyone, and sa video na ito, this is the second video of the day. Ang topic natin ay Search Engine Optimization or SEO for Blogger. So Blogger is a website owned by Google. So specifically, we will talk about how we will get backlinks to our client's website gamit ang Blogger. So what is Blogger? It is a website and or blogging platform owned siya by Google. So we will distribute the article in Blogger, yung ginawa natin in the previous video, and i-link natin yung article na yun pabalik doon sa website para mas madaming tao ang makakita ng content sa internet. Okay, so what is a backlink? Itong tinatawag natin na backlink. A backlink is just a link na you can click on na papunta doon sa website ng kliyente. So this is you go to the Blogger website by typing blogger.com, then magla-login kayo doon using your own Gmail account. So if you have a Gmail email address, then you can use it. So once inside, you can add a new blog. Sa start niyan, wala pa tong laman. But in this case, marami na tong blog. So ganito itsura niya. But all you have to do is just click in this area here. And then, scroll down sa pinakababa, new blog. So go to blogger.com, log in, and then i-click nyo ito. Tapos, i-click nyo itong new blog sa baba. And you will be asked to choose a title. So in this case, children's book. Ayan. So let's try if this is available. Children's books blog. Sorry, hindi siya available. Dagdagan natin ng HSH para sa para doon sa Academy for Health Superheroes or HSH, and it's now available. So you can choose ano yung design niya. So in this case, I will just choose something na really simple. Ito. And create a blog. Kalimutan ko i-screenshot. Let's do it again na lang. Enter a title, enter an address, then choose a enter a title, enter an address, then choose a theme or a design, and then choose create a blog. And once na ma-create mo na yung blog, you can access it here dito sa drop down na ito. So right now, empty pa yung blog. If we view the blog, just right click here. So right click, para makita ninyo yung itsura ng existing na blog. So right click, open link in new tab, and ito siya. So ito yung magiging address ng blog ninyo. Ayan. This will be your blog's address. You can access your blog anywhere in the world as long as you have internet. Okay, so pwede nyo na ma-visit yung blog nyo doon sa wherever nyo. Pwede nyo i-share sa mga friends nyo or overseas. And And then, ang login URL pala ng Blogger is punta lang kayo sa blogger.com, pero yung website ninyo blogspot siya, .blogspot. So iba yung login URL niya. So ito yung sign in. Kung wala pa kayong Gmail email account, it's a good time to get started. And so right now, wala pang laman yung blog, so lagyan natin ng laman. Just click on new post. And you will notice na although different yung colors niya, different yung words, but you know, similar siya doon sa WordPress na nandito sa left side may posts, pati yung term na post meron ding pages, so at least you are already familiar. So click on new post to add the article. Ayan. New post. And yung article kunin natin sa ano na yung nagawa natin kanina. So the children's book with a moral lesson, the Academy for Health Superheroes, and ikakopy natin yung text. I'm not sure kung okay lang mag-directly copy. Tingnan natin ha kung makuha ba niya. Yeah, it seems like kaya niyang kunin. It seems like maganda yung result kung diretso copy paste as long as galing siya dito sa website. And then let's see kung effective nga ba siya. And nandito na. So balik tayo. So put the title, put the put the title here, then copy paste the content here. Remember, wag kayo mag basta-basta copy paste galing sa Microsoft Word. Kung gusto nyo na Microsoft Word, idaan nyo muna sa Notepad para maalis yung formatting ng Microsoft Word, kasi minsan masira yung itsura ng ng website or ng article. So paste the description, paste the article here. You can copy from the website article. Okay. And then once you are ready, i-click nyo yung publish. Click publish. Then once ma-publish siya, magiging update siya. Imbis na publish yung Word, update na. Ayan. Then update. Then pwede nyo na tingnan yung anong itsura. So ito na yung article. Makita mo na yung article under post, tapos all. Then kung gusto mo i-view, just hover your mouse over here and click edit. Hindi pala edit, but view man tayo. View. So kung gusto mo i-edit, click edit. Kung gusto mong i-view, just click view. Okay, so tingnan natin. And ito na yung itsura niya. At least kung mag-purchase yung kung bibili yung nakabasa nitong article, i-click lang nila ito. Ayan. Tapos pabalik siya doon sa website. Now, one of the things that we have to do is to make sure that you link back to the original article. Yan, importante yan masyado. Importante na since ito yung original article sa website ng kliyente, i-copy natin. So, copy the URL of the original article. From the client's or the project's website. So, ito, right-click, copy. And then, balik tayo dito sa Blogger. I-edit natin. So, pwede tayo dito. Learn more about how the Academy for Health Superheroes can help you. Yan. By visiting the website. The updated article can be found here. Yan. So, ilalagay natin itong children's book with a moral lesson. So, ito yung gagawin nating link. So, it will also have options here na compose. Ito yung visual composer sa WordPress. Ito yung equivalent niya. Yung HTML naman yan yung text. So, you can go here, you can go here. Kita nyo yung difference. Medyo magulo pag sa text kasi maraming codes. Pagdating nyo dito, okay lang siya. Ayan. Okay, so learn more about how the children's book. So ito, children's book with a moral lesson. I-click nyo yung link. Highlight the text, short text. Yan, tapos gi-highlight ko din. Then, i-click nyo yung link. Yan. Pause. So, dito nyo na pwedeng i-paste yung copy and paste. And yan, naging link na siya. Pwede na siya maklik. And another thing that you want to do is to link back to the home page. So, kunin natin, get also the link back to the home page. Yan, so home. Yan. So, kunin nyo yung link sa home page. Tapos, hanapin nyo yung appropriate na phrase. So, yan. The Academy for Health Superheroes Copy ang link, paste dyan, okay. Yan. And once you are done, click update. Yan. So, turn it into a link. So, make sure lang na appropriate yung text na nag-highlight mo. So, that is a good practice. Okay. And then, once ready, you can click update. Yan. And then, you can refresh. Yan. Click refresh to see the updated version. So, andito na siya. Refresh. Dito na siya. Medyo weird yung kulay. Medyo weird yung kulay niya. Yun lang yung downside. And learn more. At least. Okay. And let's see. Try natin kung nag-work yung links. So that's something that you want to do also when you are posting the blog. Right click, open link in new tab. So itetest mo yung mga links on the page. So on the article and the images to see if they are working fine. Minsan kasi merong problem. So kailangan mo lang ayusin. Or if they are going to the correct location. Siyempre, malalaman mo na correct ang location kung based sa na-studyhan mo doon sa website ng client, you have an idea. As a person na nag-study ng website, meron kang idea saan dapat siya i-link. Okay. And learn more. Sige. Looks good. Looks good. Tingnan natin itong dalawang ginawa natin. Okay. Yep, so that's it. And you will notice na ito meron siyang anong tawag dyan? Meron siyang extra na paragraph dito, whereas yung original wala. So that's fine. That's how we want it. And the next thing is itong sa right side, we want to remove yung about us kasi let's not make it about us. So remove itong about us. Remove the about me. Yan. And you do that by try natin, i-click natin itong click on the toolbar or the tool icon. Yan. So, remove. Okay. Yes. Ang problem, hindi ko na screenshot. Yan. Okay na yun. Click on the tool, then choose remove. Hindi ko na lang i-screenshot yun. Okay. Simple lang. I-click nyo lang yung tool, tapos sa baba, merong remove. Ganito. So, ito, just keep the blog archive. Kasi maganda naman yan. And then, one other thing is, balik tayo dito sa yung sa likod ng website. So, go back to the dashboard, ang tawag. Go back to the dashboard and then go to the, I think it should be in the layouts. Just a guess. I've used Blogger before, but it's been a long time na parang WordPress na yung palagi kong naaalala. So, click on layout. Ayan. Okay, so this is now the layout. Tapos scroll down ka konti. Pwede ka mag-click dito sa add a gadget. So again, we are inside layout and you want to click on add a gadget. Ayan. So ang gadget sa WordPress, ang tawag sa gadget are widgets. Yun yung counterpart niya. So ito rin, yan yung gadget. You can add AdSense para kumita ng income, but we're not gonna do that here since we're helping the client. And ang goal natin na ilagay dyan are itong link list. Okay, we want to put the link list there. Tingnan natin ha. Ano pa ang pwede natin ilagay? Well, for now, let's add the link list. And the title is Children's Health Links and Resources. Okay. So sometimes it's up to you what the title will be, depending on the project. And number of items to show on the list, just leave it blank. And sorting, let's sort it alphabetically. Okay, and then dito tayo magdadagdag ng ano yung links. So yung first is Academy for Health Superheroes website. Ayan, kukunin natin yung link papunta doon sa website. Sana yun. Ito. Okay. So, leave blank. Blanco lang siya. Sort alphabetically. Lagay nyo yung pangalan ng website. And Academy for Health Superheroes na URL sa main. Then, once you're ready, click save. And pwede pa kayo magdagdag ng additional. Ayan, so nandito na siya. Another thing na we can put are yung copy the links. Actually, let's see ano ang link dito. Facebook, yep. Health Superhero, yes. Kunin mo yung mga links. Ayan. And ika-copy natin. So, get the links here and add them also. So these are usual links from Facebook. Most clients merong ganyan. Kung wala man, okay lang, sige lang. Kung meron, mas maganda. So in this case, kasali yung Goodreads kasi Goodreads is the website na maraming mga nagbabasa. Daming mga book readers, mga book lovers doon. So okay. And add them to the and copy paste yung links. Copy paste those links back to yung Blogger. Okay. Right here and copy lagi akong nawawala. Follow us on Facebook. Yan. HSH Academy for... Wag na. Kasi parang weird na siya. Balik-balik na yung Academy for Health Superheroes. Tama na yan. Follow on Facebook. And click add link. Ewan. Sa baba siguro. Ito. Alright. So, repeat adding links until ito na lang. Till you have all the other. Ayan, pindutin nyo yan. And ito. Okay. And add link. So, dalawa na. Isa pa. Twitter. Health Superhero. Add link. Balik naman dito. Ano to? Instagram. Okay. Add link. YouTube. YouTube. And next is meron tayong Goodreads. Huwag ganyanin ang ulo. No. So, add link. And so, andito na yung mga links. Next is i-click na natin yung save. Okay. So, nandito na siya. So, meron tayong blog archive. Ito namang blog archive, pwede natin siyang i-change. Kasi imbis na nagasabi siya na blog archive, we could change it instead to articles about children's health. Yan. Something like that. So, hindi pa naman siya perfect, but no, that makes it a little bit better. Children's health, exercise, positive mindset, articles. And meron siyang mga options dito. So, ang first natin ginawa is click on edit. Ito yung step 1. And then, step 2. Okay lang yan. Okay lang yan. And okay na din. So, keep it as is and hit save. Okay. Then, once na ano na yan, don't forget to click the save arrangement. Otherwise, mawawala yung trabaho na ginawa ninyo. Then you can view the blog dito. Right click, open, or i-type nyo lang diretso sa Google Chrome or Firefox or whatever browser ang ginagamit ninyo. So andito na siya, lumabas na siya dito sa right side. So ang purpose nito is at least aware yung mga visitors dito sa website na ito na na ito yung website, ito yung Facebook, and you want to test that also. So test the links. Kasi minsan mali yung na copy paste natin. Okay. Looks good, looks good, looks good, looks good, and ito yung sa Goodreads, looks good. So far everything looks good. One other thing that we could add here, kasi medyo empty itong sa right side. So one really useful thing na madagdag natin dito are the products. Because in the long run, we will be adding more articles in here. So, ito, dadami ito dito. Then, marami pang ibang articles na idadagdag natin dito sa blogspot. And, mas maganda na for every page of the blogspot account, meron siyang something dito na papunta doon sa yung products. Maybe a picture. So, I'll take it from the books. And this one, what I'll do is I will save this dito sa desktop. Parang hindi siya nasi-save. Open, ayan. Open image in new tab. So, idadagdag natin to. So, add some photos from the website. So, right-click the photo, then save image as. Na-save na ba natin yung ito siya? So, save. And lagay natin sa desktop. Heart book. Okay na yan. Ideally, lalagyan nyo ng lalagyan nyo ng keyword dito. Children's Health Book. Para at least ma-identify siya ng Google. Kasi minsan ang mga tao naghahanap ng pictures about children's health. So, initially, hindi sila interested sa product. They're just looking for information. But, you know, that person could potentially become a client. Pag mabasa nila na, uy, maganda pala itong book na ito. And people who normally search for children's health pictures or children's pictures, they're either teachers or they are parents or, they are siblings, and they might be in a position of, making decisions of whether or not maganda itong book para doon sa bata nila. So we're doing this to help the client na at least matulungan siyang ma-expose yung book niya sa mas maraming tao. So let's save that. We put the keyword there, and then balik tayo sa dito sa yan. So let's add another gadget. So click on that. Image, ito. Okay, so I wonder kung Yep, meron tayong missing na screenshot. So, sorry about that. We click on add a gadget, tapos pinili natin yung link list. Okay, so that's it. So this time it's an image that we're adding. And lagyan nyo ng title yung image. Academy for Health Superheroes Book 1, The Heart. Yung caption can be the same. And then kunin natin yung link. Lagay mo yung link papunta sa product. Okay. And choose from your computer. Pwede rin natin i-shrink to fit yan. Then once you're ready, click save. Choose file and shrink to fit. But of course, before we click save, you have to first choose the file. Choose file, and dito tayo ngayon sa desktop. Ito, so desktop. Then, ito yung gisave natin na image kanina. And click open. Okay. So, okay na. Wait for it to finish. And once tapos na yung image, you can now click save. And then, of course, make sure to save the arrangement again. And then your changes have been saved, so view blog. And now it's here on the right side. But you know what, since andito naman siya, what we will do is mas maganda kung pag-click nito papunta siya doon sa website. Tingnan natin kung yeah, actually nandyan na. Test natin yung link kung tama. Okay. It's one step that, so you will notice na every step that we do, we are always testing. Yan. One other thing that I decided is that since andito na siya sa right side, maybe it's better na wala na ito. Tatanggalin ko na lang itong galing dito. Let's see. Yep. So, tatanggalin ko na lang itong galing dito. Pupunta siya, itong learn more ililipat dito. Okay, so let's do that. Punta tayo dun sa post, edit, and then okay. So, balik tayo sa posts. Tapos all. Tapos i-edit natin. So, ito yung photo. Select natin yung, actually hindi siya nasa-select. So what I'll do is I will just delete this, and it might be simpler. This can be done if you have knowledge in HTML, so it might be simpler kung i-remove na lang natin ito. So I just deleted. Let's just delete and then click publish or click update. So delete and remove. Oh, nawala yung ano. In this case, yeah, kailangan nating pumunta sa HTML. So, i-click nyo tong HTML para ma-delete natin tong learn more. I-click nyo itong HTML. Tapos, mapansin nyo, merong mga code dito. So, para hindi tayo maubusan ng time, what we'll do is we'll do a Control F. Mapansin nyo, lalabas itong dito. And then, you type in learn more. So, by doing a Control F, meaning Control Find, so, do a Control F or type learn more to find where it is in the code. So, i-highlight niya automatically kung saan yung code. So, yan yung i-delete natin. So, learn more. Meron pa pala, oh. Ito. Kasi ito siya yung learn more about how. Ito yung paragraph. Malaman mo kasi meron siyang karugtong. So, i-click nyo itong next. Makikita nyo yung isa pang na learn more. So, let's see. This is the ang purpose lang natin is to delete. Now, before we make changes to the HTML, it's a good idea to back it up. So, before making changes, select everything. Pwede nyo i-control plus A. Press nyo yung control sa keyboard, control plus A, and then copy it to notepad. Just in case we do something wrong. Kasi one mistake here, posibleng masira yung entire article. Hindi naman yung buong website, just that particular article. Now, kung masipya talaga tayo, we can just delete that article, but sayang yung oras na nag-spend natin. So, let's select everything. I did a control A, or pwede rin right click, select all. Kita nyo rin yung shortcut dyan, no? Control A, Control C, Control X, Control V. Yan yung shortcut summary. So, select all and then copy. I-paste natin ngayon sa notepad. And then, now let's try deleting. I'm looking for, you notice there's a div here, /div. I'm looking for saan yung simula niya. And chances are ito, I'm guessing ito yung simula niya na div. So, I'm going to delete the entire area there. Kasi kung tingnan mo, parang it's just some code na, you know, there's no need to touch that. Anyway, if we are mistaken, then we can always go back to the code that we have saved in the notepad. So, let's see. Let's try deleting this area between div and /div. So, dalawa yung div. Meaning ng div is division, I think. I'm not sure. Hindi ko alam yung yung meaning niya. But div is usually para siyang lalagyan ba. So, I like to think of it as a division, as a container. Para siyang lalagyan ng text, ng pictures, ng buttons. So, div tsaka /div. So, ito yun. Ito yung dulo. Dito yung dulo. And dito yung simula. Let's try. You know, there's no harm in making a mistake as long as you back it up first. And let's try deleting. Yes. And update. Sometimes, kung hindi nyo kaya yung ganito na trabaho, wala kayong HTML background pa, you can study in W3 schools. Again, the training there is free. w3schools.org. I think, you know, kung pagtsatsagaan nyo talaga, you can finish the training there in like 2 to 4 hours. 2 hours to 4 hours. Hindi siguro .org, .com siguro. .com pala, .com. Sorry. And okay. Hindi pala siya .org, .com pala siya. So, sorry about that. So, andito na tayo sa w3schools.com. And dito nyo ila-learn, the minimum you should learn is HTML, pati CSS. Kung gusto ninyo. And it doesn't take long. Siguro in 1, 2, 3, 4 hours, tapos nyo na itong dalawa. Maiksi lang kasi siya. basahin nyo lang yung explanation, tapos subukan nyo yung mga exercises dyan. And of course, they have other trainings kung interested kayo maging programmer later on. JavaScript, jQuery, but that takes a while to get used to. Okay, but kung pagtsagaan nyo talaga, you can do it. Okay.com. And I think we also have a video training for this. May video training din kami dito, so I can share with you the link. Just ask me for it, or we'll put it in the so it's a step-by-step workshop. Mag-guide kayo. Ano yung cause and effect? Pag meron kayong i-type na ganito, ano yung itsura? Ano yung code? Ano yung mangyayari doon sa trabaho na ginagawa natin? So, okay. And then, close muna natin yan. Hindi na yan kailangan. Yeah, dinelete natin yung tapos nag-update tayo. Let's see kung nag-take effect na siya. Yes, it looks okay. The only problem is medyo nasira dito yung so that's the next problem. Yan. So, how we'll do it para mas madali lang, kukopyahin natin ito. Itong area lang na ito, copy, and then let's see kung gagana siya. Balik tayo sa compose and let's try deleting it muna. And then gi-paste ko ulit. I'm not sure. We'll see. Kung hindi magana, we'll look for another approach. Mas lalong naglala. Yan. So, sige lang. Sige lang. Ito yung current niya. Balik tayo sa HTML. And we'll figure it out. Things stars. Okay. I think ang tinitingnan ko lang is itong div. Merong div dyan kasi ito yung lalagyan eh. Yung left side is one div, yung right side is another div. So, napansin ko na itong isang div is 75%. Right? And itong isang div naman is itong 25%. So, chances are ang i-delete natin itong 20. Ito siya na div. So, i-delete ko ito. Tsaka, i-delete ko rin itong ito. Let's try deleting. Again, para hindi tayo magkamali at meron tayong babalikan kung masipyat. So, try natin i-delete itong laman nito. Ayan, so that's okay to delete. Okay lang din i-delete itong style. Huwag nyo lang isali yung may ganun sa dulo. Ayan, pwede rin. But that should be ayan. I hope it works. Ayan, so itira nyo lang itong yung tawag niyan arrow, right arrow. Kasi ito yung umpisa, ito yung dulo. Yan, so update. And normally, kung hindi kayo confident sa HTML skills nyo, huwag nyo galawin yung mga existing na codes na nandyan sa website. Pero kung kayo ang nag-post ng article, okay lang yan kasi low risk lang naman siya. Pero yung existing article sa website, huwag nyo galawin kung hindi kayo confident. Okay. But for stuff like this na blogspot lang naman siya, it's not that ano. Hindi pa rin siya gumana. Let's try again. Posible na meron pang something else. Nandito pa siya, oh. Yung 25%. Nandito pa siya. So, de-delete natin itong width. It became quite complicated. And kung hindi nyo kayang gawin yun, don't worry about it. Huwag nyo na lang galawin. Yeah, but, I just wanted to at least mapansin nyo, makita nyo yung work involved pag merong konting HTML. Hopefully, that will fix it. Kung wala talaga, we'll just delete. We'll just delete it and then redo the page. Yun yung simpler na form. And that fixed it. So, at least gumana. I didn't need to see everything. And you don't need to look at everything naman. But again, merong problem naman dito. Bakit yan siya lumalabas dyan? Margin bottom. Meron pala siyang margin bottom. 30px. Margin meaning merong konting space dito banda sa, So, what if gawin nating 0? Imbis na 30. Yan. Hindi siya gumana. Or baka hindi lang na gano. Hindi talaga siya gumana. Search natin for other margins. Margin bottom 0. Ito meron din siyang 30. So gawin natin 0. Tingnan pa natin ang saan pa yung ibang margins. Then update. I think nabawasan siya. And baka meron pa. Margin bottom, kadami kasi. Okay. And I think nag-improve na siya. Hanap pa tayo, baka may iba pa. Margin bottom 0. Ito naman. Parang unti-unti siyang nababawasan. Kaya hindi siya nababawasan. Let's see. Margin bottom. Sige. Margin bottom. Ito siguro. Or baka yun lahat. Kailangan siguro. We'll see. Pa rin. Ano ba tong word na to? Are you looking for? So, dapat before siya sa are you looking for? Nandun yung weird na space. Duda ko itong meron siyang BR. Ang BR means break. Parang meron siyang enter ba? It's possible na ito yun. So, kung i-delete natin ito, siguro meron din siyang 24px. We'll see. Hindi ko muna din-delete. And hopefully, it will reduce. Parang wala siyang ginagawa. let's try that. Now, normally, kung ganito ka time consuming, ulitin ko na lang tapos napan ko ng copy paste ko ba yung piece by piece. Ito muna. Copy mo ito lang, wag mo isali itong image. Ito lang yung i-copy mo. But since nagawa na natin, might as well, include that in the video kasi useful din to see what it's like to work with yung HTML. Digid siya. Ano gid siya yung tapos nagabalik yung mga gi-edit ko kanina. Imbis na 0 na siya, nagiging 30 na naman. Weird. Anyway, wala talaga. Ganyan minsan ang HTML. And since naubos na ang time natin, i-figure out ko na lang to outside of the video. But overall, tingnan natin. Test natin yung link kung gumagana. Yan, so at least gumagana siya and then okay yung mga links dyan. Another thing that would be good to add here are the testimonials. Okay, the testimonials. So, dito sa Amazon, isa-search ninyo yung product ng inyong client or doon sa website nila, then titignan mo yung testimonials. So dito merong customer reviews. So we'll get some of the customer reviews from Amazon. So click on it and we can put it on Notepad first to remove some of the formatting, yung mga codes na weird. And then let's go back to dito sa layout. And then let's add a gadget. So we went back, we click on Blogger to go back to the dashboard. Then let's add a gadget. And in this case, ang idagdag natin is itong HTML and JavaScript. So HTML and JavaScript. Tapos dito natin ipe-paste yung testimonial galing doon sa Notepad. Ayan. Book reviews about the Academy for Health Superheroes. Okay, so ang pangalan ng book reviewer is si Eric. Bold lang natin. You can also click on rich text para makita ninyo yung formatting, yung how it will look like. And tanggalin natin yung hindi kailangan. Lagyan natin ng quote and quote. Yan. and then you can add more. Let's go back to Amazon. Okay, so this sounds okay. Ito yung second part. And pwede natin tanggalin din yung date. Let's add one more. Sherry. Kung ang client ninyo wala pang testimonial, then no need. But kung meron, it's a good idea because one of the ways to sell a product is through testimonials. It greatly increases the chance na the customers will buy. Okay, so si Sherry, and let's do that. Save it for now. One good area din na pwede nating idagdag dito is yung Amazon dito pala sa link, but we'll add that later, one thing at a time. And mas maganda siguro yung testimonials, ilagay natin medyo sa baba nitong picture ng book. So pwede nyo i-reorder yung dito yung book. By dragging, and save arrangement, and there, looks a little bit better. Tsaka since testimonial siya, I think it's a good idea kung palakihin natin yung font konti. So wonder kung wala siyang way na immediately lalaki yung font. What we'll do is first we will italicize it. And hit save. See, later na lang natin ito kaya mag HTML na naman tayo. Itong dito dagdagan natin ng medyo nawala yung bold dito sa pangalan. So dito naman dagdagan natin ng link papunta sa Amazon. So children's health links and resources. So kunin natin tong link, purchase HSH on amazon.co.uk. So I think UK yung link na ito, and add link, then hit save. Yan, so nandito siya. So ang testimonials are added there, and we also added a new link punta dun sa Amazon. Okay. So I think that's it. As we add more content dito sa website na ito, then dito siya lalabas sa right side. So it will end up growing more and more over time. Okay, so I think that's it for the blogspot SEO basic tutorial. So I hope you learned a lot in how to work with Blogger. And although hindi gumana yung HTML kanina, yep, maybe I'll figure it out pag may time ako mamaya. So, and that's it. Thank you for watching this video, and see you in the next video.